Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix MongoDB connect icon refused error in MongoDB in Windows. So you are getting this error because you have forgotten to add correct MongoDB installation path in the system environment variable. Your MongoDB service may not be running now. To solve this issue, first of all search for environmental variables in search bar. You can see the option edit the system environmental variables, click on it. In the system properties window, click on environmental variables. Under system variable, double click on path. Now you can see that I have already added MongoDB server installation path up to bin. I have already added Mongo sh installation file location also. If you are not using MongoDB sh or MongoDB shell, you don't have to do that. I will show you how to set it. Make sure your file path has been. First of all, open your file explorer and then go to local disk C and program files and scroll down to open MongoDB and then go to server, then open version number and then go to the folder named bin. Click on the file location path on top of the file explorer. You have to paste this location as the environmental variable. Make sure your file location is correct. Okay, since I have already added it, I am not adding it. Similarly, you have to add one for MongoDB shell. Go to your MongoDB installation folder up to bin folder. Do the same and copy and paste the path here up to bin and click on OK and click on OK once again and click on OK once again. Now let's turn on the MongoDB service by searching for services in the search bar and press enter. Now scroll down until you see MongoDB server. Right click on it and click on start. Now you can see only start option is available. Just click on it. It will take a second to start the MongoDB service. It will take a second to start the MongoDB service. Now close the window. Now let me show you the proof that this method is working. Search for MongoDB Compass in the search bar and press enter. This time when you are clicking on connect in MongoDB Compass, it will be working successfully. Let me show you. I am clicking on connect. Now you can see the local databases on my left side. So if this method worked for you, smash that like button and comment down that it worked for you. And also don't forget to comment if you have any issues. Subscribe to my channel. That's it guys. Bye.